Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This look, this lip may be familiar to you if you watched my Jaclyn Hill lipstick review swatch video. I had this face on. I needed to do another video, so I figured kill two videos, one look. This should be relatively quick. While everyone was waiting for Jaclyn Hill to release these lipsticks, Sephora had a 50% off sale. I'm going to just leave that there. If you knew, you got something. If you didn't know, sorry. It's over. So let's look at the things that I picked up because I was not supposed to be buying anything in May. Failed. So I went into the store and picked up this batch of goodies. I was really going in to get one thing that wasn't even on sale. And then I had the nerve to go online and pick up a whole nother package of things. So let's start off with what's in the box. So if you watched my Sephora VIB haul, you know that I was going back and forth between a couple of palettes. I ended up going with Soft Glam and Naked Reloaded. One of the other palettes I was contemplating was the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. It was 50% off, so I figured it was meant to be. If you've never seen it, this is the packaging. Yes, it smells like chocolate. These are the colors. I've swatched this so many times in Ulta and just was like, I'm not going to get it and be done with it. Nope, I got it. I can do a review, swatch video on this. Actually, I'll just wait and do a whole Too Faced Chocolate Sweet Peach collection video and you can see that. I picked up a comb because it was $2. The BECCA Endless Summer Chrissy Teigen collection. I got the lip gloss in the color Beach Nectar. It is, dare I say, a nude color, but it's pretty sheer. It's more of a rose, like dusty rose, but there's a lot of shimmer in it. So that's that color. No, I didn't need it, but I got it anyway, and I dropped it. I picked up a Z palette so I can depot some of my shadows because I'm getting ready to declutter a lot of that stuff. Then I picked up this Pro Stippling concealer brush. Looks like that. It has an angle. I have the foundation brush similar to this and I like it a lot, so I figured since it's on sale, we'll pick that up too. So I picked up, you can't even see this, it is Kat Von D Inkwell liner. This is in the color Whiteout. And so in this particular box, there is a sample for the BECCA Skin Love Brighten and Blur Primer. I don't know if these are new or if they're being phased out, but I wanted to give this a try. This was actually on, the full size was on sale on the BECCA website at the same time, so I picked that up just so I can give it a try. Now on to ear itches. What's in the bag? Another eyeshadow palette. It was on sale, 50% off. This is the Born to Run Urban Decay palette. This is the palette that I went back and forth between this and the Naked Reloaded. And so I'm kind of glad that I got the Naked Reloaded 20% off because it did not go 50% off. And I picked this up to be 50% off. So that was a good deal. Oh, you might want to see what it looks like. and I am wearing it on my eyes today. And I've already used this. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival. This thing was expensive. This little bitty jar. Maybe it wasn't. I'll have to look. But I think it was... This better not been no $20. Like, for real. I'm gonna be mad at me. Okay. No. It's still not $11 worth. Now, it's a good shampoo. I'm not gonna lie. It is a charcoal coconut oil micro-exfoliating shampoo. But this little thing should not have been $11. I mean, I liked it, but... Okay, I'm not even gonna think about it. The next thing was the Fenty Beauty, what are these things called? Pro Filt'r Retouch Setting Powder. See, I forgot I picked this up because I would have used it today. But I did get that. And then this Briogeo Superfood Mini Hair Mask. Comes with the shampoo here and the conditioner. This better not have been $20. I mean, it was close. It was $18. So, I'll give it a shot. I mean, I already bought it and I'm not taking it back. So, and then I picked up this Biossance Clean Slate. 4 clinically effective essential carry-alongs. It comes with the Squalane and Omega Repair Cream, Squalane and Omega, oh, that's in French, Squalane Peptide Eye Gel for puffiness and dark circles, the Squalane Phyto Retinol Serum for fine lines and wrinkles, here, and then the Squalane Vitamin C Rose Oil for brightening and firm skin. So I have the whatever oil with tea tree, and I use that about 3 times a week. I really like it. I don't notice anything different yet, but I wanted to try out more things, and this is very expensive. So we were happy to get this 106 of value for less than $40 after the sale. Now, the one thing that I went into the store for was the big size of the Coco Cabana cream, because I picked up the sample travel small mini size and used that all up. I love the smell of this. I love the way it feels on my skin. I love the scent that it leaves when I'm not in the room. I love the fact that it makes the bed in the morning. I love the fact that it cuddles at night. Everything about it, I love. This is to the moon and back. I am not a fan of the Boom Boom cream because the scent is just so strong and it never goes away. It's just too much. But this, I love. I think I lost my mind when I bought it, but we'll see when we get through this one if I'm gonna buy it again, if I still love it, because it was up there for a body lotion. So that was everything that I picked up from the 50% off sale that Sephora was having in May. If you picked anything up during that sale, leave a comment below. Let me see what you picked out. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, give this one a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and come back to see my world.